Today we're going to be opening fidget toys
and testing them
from Amazon. Looks like we have 3 bags of fidget toys.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh, this is so much fidgets. I can see like a pile of chocolate everything already. Oh my goodness. That's so cool.
Not too see-through. Okay, so let's open this one first.
First is this infinity cube. This is so cool. Next we have this fidget pad.
It looks like we have 3 pop tubes. 4, I mean. I said 3.
Oh, this is so cool. It has like a little joystick. Oops, thing. Has buttons and like on the sides it's like a little push thing. I'm not sure. These mini pop tubes are so cool.
Next we have a planet dimple.
Oh my goodness.
And they have their names right here written on it.
It's so cool. Sun, Earth, Moon. Then we have tiny monkey noodles. We have a green one, pink one, and a blue one.
It looks like we have 5
acupressure rings. We have 2 golds and 2 silvers and 3 golds.
3 golds. They're so like popping out.
And big. I wish it was Next we have this popsicle or ice cream pocket.
We also have a tie-dye pineapple.
That's so cute. Okay, pop it to the
It
side.
has little pineapples on them.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Wait, this thing is like the stem part. Next we have 2 pea pods. Four mochis, 2 yellow cats, this pink cat, and this cat, a gray cat. It looks like they came out as packaged already. They're soft.
Guys, we have a DNA ball.
Oh my goodness, it's so cool. Isn't it?
The balls inside are also squishy.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. The balls
We
are
have
cool.
3 marble meshes.
Pink, blue, and green. Next we have 2 wacky tracks, 1 orange and green, and 1 orange and blue.
And we have 1 bicycle chain.
That's it? And that's it for
That's
the
it
first
for the first
bag.
bag.
Now we're gonna open this bag. Oh my goodness. I think this is a pop-it type of dimple. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to open this one. I see another DNA ball. Open it. This is so cool. They have like these type of like monkey doll type of things. Oh, this is so cool. And they have like unicorn heads. So blue, yellow, and pink. They're so cool.
We have a pineapple dimple. It's like a poppet dimple.
That's so cool. Next, we have this peanut pod, which is
Aw,
so
cute.
cool. It's only 3 books, and they have like different faces. That's so cool.
Oh my goodness. We have 3 skinny.
Looks like
Monkey,
the
monkey noodles.
They're like so. They look like spaghetti. The noodles. Next, we have these snakes of black and red. And the black and the red. So cool. And I have like a big one of these things. This is so cool. I feel like they're like soft.
That's cool. We have this spinner dimple fidget.
Pop a spinner. It looks so cool. It's like a tie-dye type one. It's popping. Next, we have another DNA ball.
Looks like they didn't put that many balls in this one.
These are so cool. Next, we have a spinner dimple digits in white.
We have another 4 pop tubes. They're so tiny.
Look how cool this is. They only have 4 colors. They have in like a dark blue, like a type of teal, red, and orange. Mochis.
There are 3 mochis. A yellow one, a gray one, and a pink one. And they all look like bears to me.
We have more acupressure rings. We have 3 golds and 2 silvers. These ones are like thick ones. I keep jumping. It's like grasshoppers.
We have a, what is this? A milkshake
Ring?
maybe?
I don't know.
Pop it. I like the colors. Nice.
Next, we have another fidget pad. This one is
Sounds like a tie-dye.
like a particular colors. These sides like things spin. This one does too. It does the buttons. Hey, see the back. That's so cool. It's like a switch in the back.
This one's cool.
It's like pink.
And then it comes with a keychain.
So we can hook it on.
Okay, we have a octopus poppet.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Keychain
chain
fell.
fell.
It's like a cotton candy.
So cool.
Next we have,
An infinity cube. This one looks so cool. It's
it's like a marble.
So cool. And these ones are like the plastic ones. I like the metal.
Next we have a bicycle chain. I like these.
And for our last thing out of this bag is this pea pod.
Now let's put this away so we can open our next one.
This thing's really cool.
I like these tiny monkey.
Pop tubes.
Pop
So
tubes, I mean.
cool.
It's like a bracelet now.
Next, we're gonna open our last bag. The first thing in here, it's on the go square pocket, pink, yellow, and blue. Chain, bubbles.
And we have 4 globbles, 2 pink and then 2 like a yellow green. I guess just yellow.
Oh, which one is it? So, I'm yellow.
Well, it's just air inside. There's nothing inside.
This one like has like a weird type of mold.
Yeah, this one is
It's like shapes everywhere.
it's like flat. This one's like a lemon. This looks like a lemon.
The lime because it's like green. Next, we have, I think, 3 mochis. Yeah, 3 mochis. I'm not sure what this thing is. It's like a weird chicken. Then we have this pink fish. I think this is a caterpillar. Has no face or anything. I don't know what that is.
Could be a worm.
Triple dimple.
Ooh, this chain fell off. Next, we have a simple dimple. A triple dimple. I'm not good with the names.
Next, we have 4 marble meshes, 3 blue and 1 green. Other marble meshes. Oops.
We have another,
Milkshake.
like a milkshake drink maybe.
Next, we have more of these like monkey noodle unicorn stuff. The yellow unicorn, blue unicorn, and a purple.
Oh, they're so cute. I'm gonna have their body.
So cool.
It looks like you can hang it on something. There's like a hole right here.
We're pointing finger.
We have 1 wacky track, green and blue.
Blue.
Oh, we have
That's
another
green.
one, a yellow and orange wacky track. Sure is wacky.
Next, we have this bicycle chain. This one's kind of heavy.
Next, we have a popsicle ice cream. They have letters on them.
Next, we have moist acupressure rings, 1 gold and 4 silvers. They only have like gold and silver ones.
We have 2 pea pods.
Next, we have another Poppet Dimple pineapple.
And our last one is an infinity cube. It's plastic. So that is all the fidgets that we have gotten from our mystery box of fidgets.
These fidgets are really cool.
These are all the fidgets that we gotten from 3 bags.
They're all so cool. My favorite ones, I like them all, but I like the mini pop tubes the most. They're all so cool.
My favorite is this planet dimple. I love the faces on them.
My nails.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video.
See you next time.
Bye.